Hello. So this is just a quick intro before we get into the video. I look like an egg right now. I have a beanie on so you don't see my hair. Anywho, I am so sorry that I have not posted in literal months. It's been very hard for me to get back into YouTube and film editing. I've been putting it off a lot, and honestly, I keep saying that, oh, I'm gonna start posting like a whole lot this week or a whole lot this month. I am super lazy and I have to start applying to colleges now. I have to start working in school. I'm starting a job soon, my first job ever. And then I also have to work on my art portfolio. And then I have to do this whole list of sewing projects I have. I literally have 4 pages of shit I need to do. That's mainly the only reason why I'm editing right now, because I have to freaking edit this. I filmed the video where I dyed my hair purple back in July. It is October now. I am so lazy when it comes to this stuff. I am genuinely so sorry. I'm so shitty at posting. I need to get better at it. This whole intro is basically an apology. Please be sure to watch this video all the way through. It's mainly like a vlog of some sorts. Let's get into it. Yo, what's up, Tumblr Nation? I'm your host, Killer Keemstar. What? Let's go right into the news. Haley is dyeing her hair. Impulsively, kind of. Katie, my little sister, is, dyeing her hair. Okay, I'm gonna go get the hair ties.
Brad and Wanda's gonna be like, what the fuck are they doing?
Wonder what you said about me while I was gone.
I didn't say anything about you.
You didn't? I'll see in post if you said anything.
BW2.
And then we got Manic Panic.
30 volume.
I think this sectioning is fine, but I might be wrong. I haven't bleached my whole head in a year. Boop. And now we get on the ends, because the ends go...
Avoiding my ends because they're already a lot lighter and I don't want to fry them more.
Well, yeah, obviously. How's it burning my throat?
How's it burning my eyes?
Burning my lungs. We'll get back to you guys once we have it fully covered.
Be burning and itching, burning and itching. Itching and burning, itching and burning. Be burning and itching, burning and itching. Itching and burning, itching and burning.
What's up, little piss baby? You think you're so fucking cool, huh? So, my hair looks like pee-pee. I did miss a spot. Me and Katie are gonna go over it again. Looking ugly while bleaching your hair is part of the process. Doing its thing. I used Ion, and then I used Manic Panic. Don't use Manic Panic. This stuff faded out in like 2 days. In the future, just use Arctic Fox's Purple Rain.
Not thinking creatively, so take a look at my hair.
Cool.
I use my hair to express myself.
That sounds pretty boring.
I use my hair to express myself.
Oh yeah, I also forgot a very important detail. I also cut my hair, like a lot of it off. Didn't film that because it was spontaneous. Actually cut it twice. First time I cut it to my shoulders, and then the next time I cut it a little bit higher. I cut it a few inches up, left this front long part in the front. This is what happens when you listen to Marina and the Diamonds, folks. Oh my god, I love the choppy layers. It looks cute. You can barely tell, but it looks nice.
The dynamic shot. Dynamic shot. The dog's a Puritan.
Do you think
halfway there.
Wait, is it not like pierced through?
No, it is.
You're usually supposed to do.
Should just let me stab it all through all 3 parts here. Might want to finish that, bro.
It'll be okay.
Hey, I will be fine. I pierced myself in my 8th grade.
You're just like talking to me while the needle's sticking out. No time to slack. Just push, bro. Just push.
Do you want me to do it for you,
I'd push it, but I'd probably stab like through both sides. There it is. Through. Through. Yep. Oh, bro, get it. Just like all those like you. Yep. Oh my god. All of them are. Can I take them? Is that it?
No.
Do you want me to do it?
Yeah,
It's an awkward middle stage.
It's not going.
Here, I got you, bro. I got you.
God damn it. It's not going through. It fell.
It's the worst. Come on, Zach. Show something funny. He was never seen again. He killed the dog. Yep. Now push.
it's literally almost there. Oh my god.
Want me to push it? So close, bro. So close.
It's literally almost like all
Yeah,
the way
it's
through.
really close.
It's just.
You want me to?
There's not enough room.
Yeah,
But
I think you just gotta be careful.
I just gotta be careful.
No.
Wow. Haley has changed a lot. I bought these on Amazon. They were like $3. I want to hear a funny story. So in 8th grade, I actually pierced my nose, pierced my septum. I found out that you can use like the fake septum piercings as actual septum piercings. You just screw off the balls. That sounds wrong. Guess what I did? I grabbed a safety pin and I was like, not really like that. It was more like for like over an hour, and it was horrible and it took forever, but it went in my nose. I was like, oh, it's fake, and I kept saying, oh, it's fake for like a few weeks, and then my dad found out that, oh, it wasn't fake, and he'd make me take it out, or he'd take away my phone until I would take it out. That is no longer the case because now I am literally almost 18. I'm gonna be 18 next year in June, but that's not the point. It's close enough. By the way, I've been cleaning this piercing with Claire's ear care solution. It's just saline. It was only like $8. I'd say, hey, SpongeBob SquarePants, SpongeBob SquarePants. I'm oversleeping like a dog on the floor. Told me think about it, well, I did. Of ourselves. Well, as you can see, I got the needle all the way through, and then I tried to put in the piercing and it didn't work. I tried multiple times, didn't work. I put a band-aid on it and just have it heal, but that was fucking horrible. So it's a few days later and I've given it some time to heal. It's a little sore, but I mean, it's pretty much like really healed. I think I know what went wrong last time. I tried to put in weird ass piercings in there. I have an old earring that I sanitized. I've had a change of heart and I'm doing it right now because I am sad. School started a few weeks ago. It's been fine so far. Thank God I'm a senior. Like most of my classes are art classes. I only have like 2 core classes, so I only have English and social studies this year. It's been really chill and I'm happy about that. Oh gee whiz, okay. It hurts. You know, it was really easy putting it through this time around. I think it's because I put it through before. And so let's just say that I felt spontaneous. Like, I legit finished editing this video and was like ready to upload it. I felt spontaneous and I decided to do another one. I did not film it. It was really easy. It legit took under a minute. It went through so quick. Much cleaner, much neater, much safer than these two piercings. Really like it. Legit, when I saw myself in the mirror, like when this was like fully in, I was like, oh my god, I am a bad bitch. Back to the video. Oh crap-a-lulu. I forgot to film the outro. Oopsie daisy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. This video literally took me like 6 hours to edit. Technically speaking, it took me since July. So please like and comment, subscribe if you're new, leave me feedback in the comments. Please be sure to follow my Instagram and my TikTok. See you guys in the next video. I will try to not be crappy uploading, but I'm not making any promises. Okay, bye!